This is the Rose floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, a two-story design loaded with style and function. The Rose is part of our Classic series with 4 to 6 bedrooms and over 3,300 to almost 3,600 square feet. There are so many ways to configure this home, both on the inside and the outside, with 5 different elevations to choose from and several stone and brick combinations. At the front of the home, you have a formal study with double doors, but this can also be converted to another bedroom with a full bathroom. Notice the wide hallway as you pass the stairs and come to the expansive family room with second floor overlook, 18-foot ceiling, and optional fireplace. There's a real sense of openness and grandeur, and it flows right into the kitchen with granite island and famous steel appliances and undermount sink. This is a place where you can prepare delicious meals while staying connected with loved ones. The breakfast nook is full of natural light thanks to the windows on both walls, as well as the built-in window seat. Or dine out on the covered patio that looks out to the backyard and enjoy a peaceful evening. The primary suite is on the main floor. It's roomy with a 10-foot ceiling, along with another window seat. This is a private space where you can truly unwind. And the bathroom is the perfect complement with dual vanities, glass enclosed shower with a built-in bench and an option to expand. And then you can relax in the garden tub. Then there's the oversized walk-in closet. It's impressive not only because of the size, but there's an optional door that gives you direct access to the laundry room for added convenience. As you head up the stairs, notice the quality and detail with wrought iron spindles. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile game room, ideal for entertaining guests or relaxing with family. If you need more space, the second floor has an option for a media room or 5th bedroom, and the plan grows another 200 square feet. Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. With so many design options and floor plan selections to choose from, the Rose is a versatile home that can fit almost any lifestyle. Come see us at one of our model homes and discover everything the Rose has to offer.